This system for a residence. That guy is working abroad. He searched in Google Loom Solar Thrissur. So he got the information from the website, my address. So he called me and he came to Kerala. That time he called me and we given a quotation to him. He finalized and we installed. That's all. It is for a domestic purpose, for a home. They want to use all equipments in the inverter. They want backup. They don't want an on-grid system. That's why we suggested one 5 kVA inverter with 6 panels initially. We can upgrade up to 9 panels. So there is a provision to add 3 panels in that system. That is the thing.